In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the support team in Wise. If you ever have a question about a transfer, a card payment, or your account settings, knowing exactly where to go on the Wise website will save you time. Start by opening your browser and heading to wise.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right of the screen and click the Help link. This takes you to Wise's Help Center, which is a library of guides and answers to common questions. Before reaching out to the team, try the search box here. Type a few clear keywords, like failed transfer, verify identity, or card not working. You'll often find step-by-step instructions that solve the issue right away. You can also browse by topic if you're not sure what to type. Taking a minute to read the relevant article can get you moving faster than waiting for a reply, especially for straightforward tasks. If you still need personal assistance, scroll down the Help Center page until you see the Contact Us option, and click it. Wise requires you to have an account to contact support, so you may be asked to sign in. That's because the team needs to securely view your details and offer the right help for your country and account. After you're signed in, you'll be guided to the best way to reach them based on your issue, whether that's messaging or another supported channel for your region. To make the conversation smoother, have a few details ready before you start. The transfer reference, relevant dates and amounts, and a short description of what you expected versus what happened. Share only what's necessary and never include sensitive information like full card numbers or passwords. Clear, concise information helps the team diagnose and resolve the problem more quickly. And that's the process, from start to finish. Go to wise.com, click Help at the top right, search the Help Center for quick answers, and if you still need assistance, scroll down and choose Contact Us. Sign into your account when prompted, so they can securely review your case and get you the right support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the assistance you need in just a few clicks.